Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 12, ISC and West Bengal Board also. Linear regression part 4. That means you have already got 3 lessons. Before observing this video, my suggestion you must go to that video, especially video number 1. There are formulas and terms. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book exercise 2, sum number 13. Sum you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. From the equation of regression lines this, we have to find the means of x and y. If you follow one time, then easily you will understand. We have to find out. We know that mean of xy is the common points of two regression lines. Common point. That means these two lines we have to solve simultaneously. What you have learned at class 9 exercise 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, that is ML Agarwal's book. So this step if you follow, then easily you will understand. By solving simultaneously, we are getting y equal to minus 11 by 7 and putting y equal to minus 11 by 7 in equation 1, we have x equal to minus 4 by 7. Therefore, the means of x, that is 4 by 7, and means of y, that is 11 by 7. So first part is completed. Now we have to find out the second part, the regression coefficient. Assuming that 4x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 be the regression line of y on x, we have y on x. So we have to find out the slope, that is coefficient of regression. We have to convert into gradient form. That you have also learned at class 10 and 11. In that way, we are getting the coefficient of regression, that is slope minus 4 by 3. Therefore, then 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, the regression line of x on y. X on y. This is y on x. This is y on x and this is x on y. This time x will be left hand side and other terms will come right hand side. In this way we are getting the slope, that is minus 4 by 3. So bxy equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore byx into bxy, that is product of the coefficient of regression, we are getting minus 4 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. By calculation it is coming 16 by 9, that is greater than 1. Is greater than 1, that is it is not possible greater than 1, since the product of the coefficient of regression less than equal to minus 1. It is greater than 1, so it is not possible. Therefore, the line of regression of y on x is 3x plus 4y plus 8. Between these two lines, this line will be, that is 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This line will be y on x, and the line of regression x on y, that is 4x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. I think if you follow the previous video, then easily you will understand. Now by simplifying, we are getting the coefficient of relation, that is minus 3y, coefficient of regression from this line, that is minus 3 by 4, and from this line we are getting also same, that is minus 3 by 4. Therefore, the regression coefficient, that is byx equal to minus 3 by 4 and bxy also equal to minus 3 by 4. I think it is clear. Next, we have to find out the coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation, that is mod r equal to root over product of the coefficient of regression. And we have already got this value, that is this and this. By putting the values and simplifying, we are getting 3 by 4. Mod r equal to 3 by 4. If I omit the mod, then it will be plus minus 3 by 4. But r has same sign as regression coefficient. That is, coefficient of correlation will be the same sign as regression coefficient. Therefore, the coefficient of correlation is minus 3 by 4. I think it is clear. If you follow the step, then easily you will understand. Ishan and Ishan's friends and Jishnu's friend, you must tell them to follow the video attentively. Okay, thank you everybody.